With only a few days left for the level 3 exam, I'm sure you are getting a little anxious, but don't worry. In this brief clip, I will share some thoughts on how you can maximize your chances of passing. My first point has to do with key facts and formulas. There are several questions on the exam that you can answer if you know your key facts and formulas. And the last thing I want happening on your exam is you thinking, oh my God, what was that formula? So make sure you know your key facts and formulas, and for this you can refer to the IFT key facts and formula sheet. My next point has to do with our high yield videos. I'm sure that by this stage you have completed the entire curriculum, but there might be some readings or topics where you are weak. If you use a high yield videos, those topics or readings can be covered very quickly. So make sure you go over a high yield videos if you need help in a particular area. The most important activity, however, is practice. Make sure that you do a tremendous amount of practice between now and your exam. And with respect to practice, the first thing to do is work through all the questions that the CFA Institute has provided. At the end of every reading, there are practice problems. I hope you have done all these. If not, then go over these practice problems now. The next is online assessments. These are on the CFA Institute website. Make sure you do these assessments. And then there are mock exams. These mock exams on the CFA Institute website are in case study or item set format. You need to do those. And then you also need to work through past essay exams. But there's a slight issue here. The exams that you see here are actual exams from past years, which means that there are some questions that are not relevant for your current exam year. To address this gap, you can use the IFT completion portfolio. If you need more practice, you can work through IFT mock exams. My final piece of advice is that with only a few days left, you must not slack. Some people enter the month of June thinking that they are well prepared and then tend to relax a little bit. That is something that you must not do. Work as hard as possible. Make sure you do as much practice as you can, and I'm sure you will do well on exam day.